The restaurant industry is a captivating world. It's where creativity meets commerce, and the art of cooking intertwines with the science of business. Every day, restaurants open their doors to serve diverse dishes, each with its own story and flavor. It's filled with delicious smells, bustling energy, and a sense of purpose. The kitchen is a symphony of sounds, from the sizzle of pans to the clinking of glasses, all orchestrated to create a memorable dining experience. Restaurants are more than just places to eat. They are social hubs where friends and family gather to celebrate, connect, and create lasting memories. Many dream of opening their own place. The idea of having a space to express culinary creativity and offer hospitality is a powerful motivator. It's a dream that starts with a vision and grows with passion and dedication. A place to share their passion for food and hospitality. It's about creating an environment where every detail, from the ambiance to the menu, reflects your unique vision and commitment to excellence. This guide is for aspiring restaurateurs. It provides the knowledge and tools needed to turn your dream into reality. Whether starting out or refining an existing concept, this guide offers valuable insights. We'll explore the journey of building a successful restaurant business. From the initial spark of an idea to the grand opening, every step is an adventure filled with challenges and opportunities. From choosing the perfect concept to delighting your guests, the process involves critical decisions. What type of cuisine will you offer? What will your restaurant's atmosphere be like? How will you stand out in a competitive market? Every step requires careful consideration and dedication. It's about more than just cooking great food. It's about creating an experience that resonates with your customers and keeps them coming back. It's a challenging yet rewarding endeavor. With hard work, perseverance, and a willingness to learn, you can overcome obstacles. The restaurant industry is demanding, but the rewards can be equally high. A deep understanding of the industry and a commitment to continuous improvement are crucial. Staying informed about trends, regulations, and best practices is essential for long-term success. Passion is the driving force behind every successful restaurant. It's what keeps you going during tough times and makes the good times even more rewarding. You can turn your restaurant dream into a reality. The journey from concept to opening day is filled with milestones, each bringing you closer to your goal. Celebrate each achievement and learn from every setback. This guide will serve as your roadmap, guiding you through the complexities of the restaurant business. From location scouting to menu development, we'll cover all the essential aspects, providing practical tips and insights to help you navigate the exciting world of the restaurant business. Consulting with experts, networking with peers, and staying adaptable are key strategies for success. Let's embark on this journey together, step by step, breaking down each phase into manageable tasks. Planning, execution, and continuous improvement are the pillars of a thriving restaurant. Turn your culinary vision into a thriving reality. Your restaurant can become a beloved destination, known for its exceptional food, warm hospitality, and unique atmosphere. Remember, the most important ingredient in this recipe for success is your passion. Let's get started. Your journey to creating a successful restaurant begins now, and with the right mindset and tools, you can achieve your dream. Before you open your doors, you need to define your restaurant's identity. This is a crucial step that will influence every aspect of your business, from the menu to the decor, and even the type of customers you attract. Understanding your restaurant's identity will help you create a cohesive brand that resonates with your target audience. What kind of dining experience will you offer? Will it be a place for special occasions, a casual hangout spot, or a quick stop for a meal on the go? The dining experience you provide will shape your restaurant's reputation and customer expectations. The culinary world is incredibly diverse. Each type of restaurant comes with its own unique set of challenges and rewards. From the ambiance to the menu, every detail matters. Let's explore some of the most common types of restaurants and what makes each one unique. Fine dining restaurants offer an elegant and sophisticated atmosphere with a focus on exquisite cuisine and impeccable service. These establishments often feature a carefully curated menu, high-quality ingredients, and a refined dining experience. Fine dining is perfect for special occasions and those looking to indulge in a luxurious meal. Casual dining establishments provide a more relaxed setting with a broader menu and moderate prices. These restaurants are ideal for families, friends, and anyone looking for a comfortable place to enjoy a meal without the formality of fine dining. The atmosphere is usually laid back, making it a popular choice for everyday dining. Fast food restaurants prioritize speed and convenience, catering to customers on the go. These establishments offer a limited menu with items that can be prepared quickly. Fast food is all about efficiency, making it a popular choice for busy individuals and families looking for a quick meal. Food trucks offer a mobile and trendy dining experience, often specializing in a particular cuisine or dish. They provide flexibility and the opportunity to reach different locations and events. Food trucks are known for their creativity and unique offerings, making them a hit at festivals, markets, and urban areas. Cafes provide a cozy and inviting space for coffee, pastries, and light meals. They are perfect for casual meetups, working remotely, or simply enjoying a quiet moment. Cafes often have a warm and welcoming atmosphere, making them a popular choice for a relaxed and comfortable dining experience. Choosing the right type of restaurant for you depends on your passion, target audience, and financial resources. Consider what excites you the most and what aligns with your vision. Whether it's the elegance of fine dining, the comfort of casual dining, the speed of fast food, the creativity of a food truck, or the coziness of a cafe, each type of restaurant offers its own unique opportunities and challenges. Take the time to research and plan carefully to ensure your restaurant's success. Regardless of the type of restaurant you choose, whether it's a cozy cafe, a bustling bistro, or a fine dining establishment, certain key factors are universal to success. These elements are the foundation upon which any thriving restaurant is built. First and foremost, the quality of your food must be exceptional. This is the heart of your restaurant and what will keep customers coming back. Use fresh, high-quality ingredients and prepare each dish with care and precision. The effort you put into sourcing and preparing your ingredients will be evident in every bite. Your menu should be a reflection of your passion and culinary expertise. It should tell a story, showcasing your unique style and the flavors you love. Secondly, excellent customer service is paramount. A warm smile and attentive service can make all the difference in a dining experience. Train your staff to be attentive, friendly, and knowledgeable. They should be able to answer questions, make recommendations, and ensure that every guest feels valued and cared for. Create a welcoming and positive dining experience for every guest. This means going above and beyond to meet their needs and exceed their expectations. Finally, the ambiance of your restaurant plays a crucial role in attracting and retaining customers. The atmosphere should be inviting and comfortable, making guests feel at home. The decor, lighting, music, and overall atmosphere should complement your restaurant's concept and create a comfortable and inviting space. Whether it's a casual eatery or an upscale dining room, the ambiance should enhance the overall experience. Remember, dining is an experience, and every detail matters. From the moment a guest walks in the door to the time they leave, every aspect of their visit should be carefully considered and executed to create a memorable and enjoyable experience. Section 4. Spreading the word. Marketing your culinary haven. Once you've perfected your menu, trained your staff, and created a welcoming ambiance, it's time to spread the word and attract customers. In today's digital age, a strong online presence is essential. Create a website and social media profiles to showcase your menu, photos, and customer reviews. Engage with your followers regularly, respond to inquiries promptly, and run targeted advertising campaigns. Word-of-mouth marketing is also incredibly powerful. Encourage satisfied customers to share their positive experiences with friends and family. Offer incentives for referrals and consider partnering with local businesses for cross-promotional opportunities. Remember, building a loyal customer base is key to long-term success in the restaurant industry. Section 5. Behind the scenes. Smooth operations for happy customers. While the front of the house focuses on providing exceptional service, efficient back-of-house operations are crucial for a restaurant's smooth functioning. Implement inventory management systems to track stock levels, minimize waste, and ensure you have enough ingredients on hand. Maintain a clean and organized kitchen and dining area to meet health and safety standards. Quality control is paramount. Develop standardized recipes and procedures to ensure consistency in every dish. Invest in training your staff on proper food handling, preparation, and service techniques. A well-trained and motivated team is essential for delivering a seamless and enjoyable dining experience.